Hisham Yasha, and I am here to explain about my project Hydraulic Arm. The fluid link acts as the medium that transmits the motion and force between the components. The basic concept behind this operation is Pascal's law. The law states that when a pressure is applied at one point of fluid contained in a constant volume, then the pressure due to that force is equally transmitted to all the points of fluid. The pressure formula expressed as the P is equal to F into A, where P is equal to pressure, F is equal to force, A is equal to area. Let's see the working. And push the plunger of movable ceiling, arm rises, and pull the plunger of ceiling, arm descends. There are total 4 plunger syringes here. Out of which plunger is used to grab the object. The other two is used to up-down motion of arm. The last one is used to rotate the arm.
Concentrate read type of links. There are 3 types of links: rigid, flexible, fluid. How this hydraulic fluid is used that work as a link. In concept, I also learned a type of joint. There are 3 types of joint: binary joint, ternary joint, and quaternary joint. When 2 links joint at one point is called a binary joint. When 3 links joint at one point is called as a ternary joint. And when 4 links joint at one point is called as a quaternary joint. Here, 1 ternary joint is equal to 2 binary joint, and 1 quaternary joint is equal to 3 binary joint.
Hydraulic arms that grip or pick the things in an industrial purpose. They are also used in earth movers to pick up heavy weight and keep them where required.
Those are used in assembly lines of mega factories to assemble the various parts of product. Those are also used when manufacturing them to paint car parts. Same principle being used in JCBs, bottom covers, lifters, etc.
Thanks for watching my video.